Welcome to the channel Fashionista and salam to all. Viewers, you have heard about detox water or fruit infused water. Detox water is in trend these days. Detox water is nothing but infused water containing all the essential nutrients and minerals. Detox water is a smart way of detoxing your body using multiple fruits and veggies that provide their individual antioxidants. Detox water is more like flavored water but not as sweet. If you want to see some of the various health benefits of drinking infused water, here is charts that show you the different types of recipes that you can drink with different type of health conditions. For example, if you are having indigestion problems, then you should look at lemon, mint and orange. On the other hand, if you are suffering from high blood pressure, you can also look at mixing guava, passion fruit and kiwi to help regulate your body blood pressure levels. If you are looking for a recipe to boost your metabolism and speed up your weight loss process, you can look at combining green tea, strawberry and cinnamon. There are various combinations. The beauty about infused water recipes is that it's hard for you to get boring as there are so many combinations that can try and you would actually love. Let's look at the top 10 combinations that you will love. Raspberry and lime, pineapple and mint, strawberry and orange, watermelon and rosemary, citrus and ginger, blood orange and mango, kiwi and lime, blackberry and basil, cucumber and lemon, mint and lemon. Here are some questions arise when you use detox water. You should in your mind that how long should I infuse the water with fruits or vegetables? The answer is a good rule of thumb is to let it infuse for about 1 to 2 hours at room temperature or in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours to achieve the potential flavor and water color. If you want your water to be really fruity and tangy, then make sure that it's infused overnight or up to 12 hours. Other question is, how long do infused water last? The best way to go about it is to drink infused water the same day or the next day to extract the maximum benefits. However, bear in mind that you can actually store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Ensure you remove the infused fruits from the water after the first day to prevent them from decomposing in the water. Next question is, why does my infused water taste bitter? If you are using citrus fruits, then it's normal for it to taste bitter because of the rinds on citrus fruits. Now you can actually avoid this by simply cutting off the rind with a knife before infusing. Should I use cold or hot water? Honestly, using hot water will only destroy the fragile enzymes and vitamins that exist in the fruit. So, it's best to use room temperature or cold water for the infusion. Also, if you use hot water, it will make your fruit fall apart and look less appealing. So, use cold or room temperature water. What are the health benefits of drinking infused water? It's very simple. When you drink a lot of water, it helps you to lose weight quickly. When you drink water regularly, your body increases the rate at which it burns calories. One of the benefits of drinking infused water is that it's a good replacement for soda. You should know that drinking calorie beverages will definitely destroy your health and increase your risk for a lot of diseases. Drinking infused water for weight loss is one of the easiest and fastest thing you can do for good results and overall better health. Let's look at some more benefits of drinking infused water. It helps to boost your metabolism. It flushes dangerous toxins from your system. It helps to reduce muscle fatigue during your workout sessions. It helps to keep your organs functioning and healthy. It beautifies your skin, nails, and hair. Remember that infused waters are naturally very low in calories and do not contain any type of artificial ingredients. Therefore, you can drink as much as you want throughout the day. So what you can do is use any of the recipes mentioned in the video to make your own infused water for weight loss, and you will be losing weight without a lot of effort in no time. Thank you. Bye bye.